In today's lesson, tudatarisa the binomial, universal theorem, and partial fractions. Saka, what is assumed in this lesson kuti munogona kupartialize ma-fractions. If kana muine an issue with partial fractions, you can tell in the comments and I will send you a link which takes you to a list of lessons we did on partial fractions. Saka, I'm going to assume largely that you know how to partialize fractions and you know the different types of methods used in partializing fractions. What we are looking at today, toda kuona the application of partial fractions kana tichi-apply binomial kana universal theorem. So before we get into it, we have to appreciate something. Firstly, let me just put down the binomial theorem pamwe chete ne the universal expansion theorem. Saka binomial theorem takati not kudini. We are given a plus b to the power n. Takati a plus b to the power n is going to be equal to n choose 0, a to the power n minus 0 times b to the power 0 plus n choose 1, a to the power n minus 1 times b to the 1, then plus and so forth. This is the binomial theorem. Now when we talk about the universal expansion theorem, for the universal expansion theorem, tinoti kudini, we have learned that kana tichiti 1 plus x to the power n, this is equal to 1 plus nx over 1 factorial and tuvatati plus n minus 1 x squared over 2 factorial plus and so forth like that. So that is the binomial theorem and the universal expansion theorem. Chatanga tisina kutaura ndechekuti if we take for the binomial theorem ngatiti bt, it's a plus b to the power n which is equal to something. For the universal expansion theorem, it's 1 plus x to the n. What I want to stress now is the first term mukati me expression yatikuda kuexpanda should always be a number. Saka panapa itori 1 of course, but a should always be a number. And this is very important. What I mean is, kana ngatiti makapiwa x minus 2 to the power 6. So irikonzi muruda ku apply the binomial theorem or the universal expansion theorem. But let us say muda ku apply the binomial theorem. Kana makuda ku apply, you have to rearrange this. Munenge makutenyora yakatichi minus 2 plus x to the power 6. Those want to kutaura. Saka make sure kuti the first term inside the bracket ramuroda ku expanda is always a real number. Saka always a number, to be more precise, always a real number. But for the universal expansion theorem, since chiseva kuti tichati 1 plus x to the n, it's quite obvious. So this is the part I wanted to stress. In most cases, questions on the binomial theorem are hinged to partial fractions. Saka there is ma questions a binomial theorem kachinji kacho anenge ari connected somehow to partial fractions. For problems of this nature, ndo yatodila nayo, the combined fraction has to be broken down into its component parts, kureva kuti it has to be partialized before bringing the denominators up. If the terms to the factors are arranged in such a way that the first term is not real, those whatever kutsanangura, rearrange the terms to start with a real number. So we are going to be dealing with a particular question. It's going to be a long question. we want to engage with each other. I'm going to be asking a lot of questions, giving you time to think. Saka, when you're watching this lesson, you should pause a lot, try to think, try to answer these questions, then go back to the lesson to find the solutions. So the question we are going to be dealing with is this one. That is the question. Saka iri kuti, for example, given that the function of x is equal to 3x plus 1 over x squared minus 4, x plus 1, obtain an question obtain an expansion f of x in ascending powers of x up to and including the term in x squared. Saka the expanded function of x ya trikuda in ascending powers of x should be up to, and it should also include terms, cannot include the term in x squared. Saka, you are going to see the implication of what that means. When we look at a question in mathematics, you should be able to reinterpret it. Saka mfunzo wangu ndio kuti mukaverenga this question, iri kudei ndo mfunzo wangu. What are the demands of this question? Question yacho iri kuti tiitei. If you cannot understand basically kuti question iri kuda kuti muitei, it's going to take tons of effort to answer it, because you cannot answer a question you cannot understand. Saka kukosha kwakaita kuita as many questions as humanly possible kuti muzive firstly your examination board in our context SIMSEC inoseta sei what are the sources of SIMSEC zvofunga kuzikanwa. Secondly, kuwana familiarity from how questions are tested, so that pamunoverenga a question you can quickly pick up kuti question iri kudei. Question iyo iri kuda kuti tiexpand f of x but tichizonogumira pana x squared. How do we do that? Saka firstly, we are given the function of x is equal to 3x plus 1 over x squared minus 4x plus 1. We discussed pataita partial fractions, so this is going to be a micro revision. We discussed that there are several methods used to partialize fractions. Firstly, kune a linear factor method, and yavanoti linear factor approach. Then secondly, tine inons a quadratic factor approach. Thirdly, tinechi tinogona kutaura pamusoro pe a repeated factor approach. Then lastly, totaura pamusoro pe the improper fraction approach. Saka pese pamunopiwa a situation where you have to partialize a fraction, you have to ask yourself, which method am I going to use? Because you can use the wrong method and think to yourself, with mawana a correct answer when you haven't. Saka, as for me, the first question I ask myself, the ish, fraction andinayo, is it proper or improper? And saka, the question is the fraction proper or is the fraction improper? Because the moment the fraction is improper, is an improper fraction approach. It branched into two, dependent, is it improper in the case, because improper fraction, partial fractions, might actually involve having a numerator and a denominator inenge ine ma variables or unknowns are exactly the same degree, cannot exactly the same power order. What do I mean? Kuti the highest power irim numerator ndi squared, the highest power irim denominator ndi squared. In partial fractions, cannot in partializing fractions, we treat that as an improper fraction. Saka, the way we deal with that situation is different from the way we deal with a situation where we have an improper fraction in the traditional sense, kureva kuti the order kana kuti the power, the highest power iri in the numerator inge iri greater than the highest power which is in the denominator. So to understand this, ndingozvitaura under the auspices yekuti you know this, it's assumed. Partializing fractions is an earlier topic in advanced level pure mathematics, but we have lessons which you can use to revive your memory. Saka, let us ask this question. This is our first question. Is that a proper or improper fraction? The highest power kumsoro kunoku nde 1. The highest power kuzasi kunoku aningatori x cubed. X cubed irikubva pakuti if we have to expand panapa, which we don't do, x squared icha multiply x to make x cubed. Saka it's what? It's proper. Saka tasarwa need these 3 approaches which we have to use. Tobva tatarisa factor. Saka a factor is an expression, in this case kana kuti a number which divides into another number without leaving a remainder. That's what a factor is by definition. So tikatarisa in our factor tirikuona a quadratic expression. So the quadratic expression yatirikuona ndi x squared minus 4. Because of that, so automatically we have to use the quadratic factor approach. So these are the questions which I ask myself. Deno yanga iri linear, taishandisa linear. Deno yanga iri repeated, taishandisa repeated. But in our particular case, it's a quadratic factor approach. So because it's quadratic factor approach, let us use that one. Okay. Saka, how are we going to do this? Tirikuti, we want to partialize this. Saka pakupartialize apa tenge takuti 3x plus 1 over x squared minus 4x plus 1 is going to be equal to bx plus c over x squared minus 4 plus a over x plus 1, like that. So this is a general outlay of how it's done. The moment it's a quadratic factor approach, the quadratic factor yacho tinotora bx plus c as its numerator, then the linear factor part tinongoisa a. Saka tadaiso manje, how are we going to progress? So atenge takuita panapa tenge takuti we want to solve ku right hand side in such a way yekuti we have ma denominators akafanana. So it's actually easy. 3x plus 1 and over x squared minus 4x plus 1, like this. This is equal to, take at x, bracket x plus 1 times this. It's bx plus c multiplying bracket x plus 1. Be sure to put bx plus c in bracket. That plus x squared minus 4 times a, that's a, x squared minus 4 over, then we multiply this, over x squared minus 4, x plus 1, zvakafanana. But vamwe vanosanzwisisa chichaitika. Let us give an example. Tikati 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4, like this. Saka tine nzira dzakawanda dzekuisolva nayo. Traditional way inoda kuti titsvage common denominator, which in this case ndi 12. 3 into 12 ndi 4, 4 times 2 ndi 8, plus 4 into 12 ndi 3 times 1, that's 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, so it's 11 over 12, handed. But there is a more clever way, yanoda kukuratidzai panapa, is equal to, munoti 4 times 2, which is 8, mamati plus 3 times 1, which is 3, over 4 times 3, which is 12. Tasvika pakafanana apa. Saka iyi nzira ishi ndo yatinge tashandisa panapa. Tirati bracket iri times bracket rino, ndokuti bracket iri times bracket iro over e times e, ndo zvataita. Saka we have to be a little wise panapa. Okay. Saka taona kuti ma denominators afanana, zvoreva kuti taane liberty yekungomadi yekungomacheka like this. Kuroti tinenge ta multiply both sides common denominator. That's why tangomacheka. And I hope this is not confusing you. Kureva kuti panapa tasarwa tina 3x plus 1 iri equal to bx plus cx plus 1 plus a x squared minus 4 like that. Ndo yatinayo. Saka panapa takuda kuchi-eliminate zvinhu tichienda. So what we are going to do, as for me inini, I'm going to say let x be 1. Ndo pandoda kutangira. Pandikati let x be minus 1. Kuitira kuti kana x ari minus 1, panapa x akangova minus 1, zvoreva kuti iyi inge ya 0. Because teta kuti minus 1 plus 1 which is 0. And ikava 0 zvoreva kuti the product of bracket ra bx plus c times bracket iri will be 0. Ta eliminate b na c tasarwa na a. That's the effect. Saka ndango enda pa bracket ra x plus 1 ndika re-equata mumusoro mangu to 0. So it's x plus 1 is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 1. So let x be minus 1. That's the thinking behind it. Saka tadai so much. Tengeta kuti antati x ndi minus 1. Saka 3 times minus 1 plus 1 is equal to kunoku yatova 0 a yapo. Then pana apo teta kuti minus 1 squared minus 4 like that. Then 3 times minus 1, that's minus 3 plus 1 is equal to a. Minus 1 squared the 1 minus 4 like that. Saka minus 3 plus 1 the minus 2 which is equal to 1 minus 4 the minus 3. Minus 3 times a, that's minus 3a like that. Kureva kuti tika divide both sides na minus 3 because truda a, I'm sorry. So kuti a inge equal to 2/3, which is the correct answer. A is 2/3. And saka taona kuti a is 2/3 and because panapa tanga ta eliminate b na c. Let us eliminate b. Ku-eliminate b hakunetsi. Let me use a different color. Ku-eliminate b tinongoti let x be equal to 0. Because b are multiply na x, b times 0, tengeta to eliminate b. Satita sorwa na c na a, of which a tanai kureva kuti swinge sungachatinetsi zvakare. Saka panapa tengeta kuti 3x plus 1, saka ya 3 times 0 plus 1 is equal to, tirikuona kuti panapa b apo teta kuti b times 0 which is 0, kureva kuti changosara tina 0 plus c, kureva kuti chasara tina c. Then pana x apo parikuya 0, 0 plus 1 di 1 like this. Tovatati plus oro ngatidai so. Tovatati plus a. Then apo parikuya 0 squared, saka ichava 0 minus 4 which is minus 4 like this. Saka panapa it's just 1. And 3 times 0 that's 0. 1 is equal to c minus 4a. Of which a tawana ari 2 over 3. Kurauti it's 1 is equal to c minus 4 multiplying 2 over 3. Saka 1 inge equal to c. Then apo inge minus 8 over 3. Tikaendesa minus 8 over 3 kuside uko, tengeta kuti 1 plus 8 over 3 is equal to c. Kureva kuti tengeta kuti panapa tinogona pachinja yokova 3 over 3. Saka 3 over 3 ta convert 1 into a fraction. 3 over 3 plus 8 over 3 is equal to c. Therefore c inge equal to 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 over 3 like that. Azvinetsi muzona. Saka you have to eliminate kutanga ku-eliminate b na c. Saka tino eliminate say b na c nekuno affecta bracket iri. Rikangova 0 zvoreva kuti b na c zvese zvato nullifyiwa. Tosara tina a. Then kana tana a takugona ku-eliminate b. Kana muine nzira yekugona kutanga ma-eliminate c kuda kwenyu. But I think it's far easier, less complicated, more simpler, insipid ku eliminate b then panapa tasarwa na c. Kana tasarwa na c tane liberty yekungoti kana ngoti let x be 1. X yakwanisa kuva any number since b na a tanazvo. Saka panapa inenge yakuti chi? And it's 3x plus 1. Saka pa inenge yachi 3 times 1 plus 1 is equal to chi. Saka po it's bx plus c. And saka ngatinyore b times 1 plus c. That's bx plus c. Then bx plus c multiply x plus 1. Correct ngech multiply 1 plus 1. Since x is 1. Then plus a x squared minus 4. So it's plus a x squared 1 squared minus 4. Ndozo zvakaita izvo. Saka panapa 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1. And which we can just write as 4. Kuti tisazvinetsa edu. Saka panapa it's 4 is equal to b times 1, that's b. So it's b plus c. Iri multiply 1 na 2. Twarati plus a 1 subtracting 4. Kureva kuti 4 iri equal to b plus c times 2 plus 1 minus 4. Ndiani 1 minus 1 minus 3. Saka penenge yangova chi minus 3a. So panapa tatsvaga b tikaona ari chi. Is it b watatsvaga? Tatsvaga c tikaona ari 11 over 3. So 4 inenge iri equal to b plus 11 over 3 multiplying 2 and a kuno kutamtsvaga tikaona ari 2 over 3. So it's minus 3 multiplying 2 over 3. Ma3 akutochekana panapa. Saka 4 iri equal to 2b tikada kuexpanda plus 22 over 3 and 2 times b 2b 2 times 11 over 3 22 over 3 minus 2 like that. So tikuda kutsvaga b ndio yatsiri kuziva. Saka zvinhu zvese zvikauya uku it's actually going to be 4 minus 22 over 3 plus 2 iri equal to 2b. Kusolva kuno tinogona kuexpressa everything chine denominator of 3 kureva kuti panapa tichiti 12 over 3 because 3 into 12 ndiyo 4 minus 22 over 3 plus 6 over 3 because 3 into 6 ndi 2 is equals to 2b. Saka tika edda hapo manje hapo tinowana chi. Saka let me use my calculator. Tikati 12 minus 22 plus 6 tunaona minus 4. So that's minus 4 over 3 which is equal to 2b. Saka panapa tika multiply kunoku na half kuitira kuti ma2 achekane to multiply kunoku na half zvine effect yekudai so zvoreva kuti b yedu is equal to minus 2 over 3 which is the correct answer. Saka maona zvatiri kutaura. It's beautiful mathematics. B taiwana, C taiwana, A taiwana. Kureva kuti tikadzokorodza kunonyora zvatanga tambonyora, we can now substitute A, B na C pakupartialize kwataita ma fractions. Saka let me do that. Let me reproduce zvatambonyora kumusoro kunoku. Saka zvandanyora zvandiri kutaura panapa is this part ino ishi. Mapaona. Let us take this part tiuye nayo huko. This is an important part. Okay. Yeah, let me put it here. Saka that part now iri kuti 3x plus 1 over x squared minus 4x plus 1 is equal to b. B ndiani? And saka b ndiye yatatanga kuwana ndizo? No, ndio yatapedzisira. B ndi minus 2 over 3. Kureva kuti apo takuchinyora chi? Pana b takunyora minus 2 over 3 x plus c it's 11 over 3 and toti over x squared minus 4 like that toti plus a wedu ndiani ndio yatatanga kuwana 2 over 3 so it's 2 over 3 panapa over x plus 1 like that. Saka iyi ndio yatinoda kungosimplifya zvishoma. Kuisimplifya kwedu tichiti this is equal to pamusoro apa inenge yava minus 2x plus 11 over 3 pamusana pekuti ine the same common denominator x squared minus 4 plus then panapa manje there's a trick. Kana mchida kuita the long way ndeishi ndeye kuti 2 over 3 dividing bracket ra x plus 1 mozoti 2 over 3 multiplying 1 over x plus 1 mozoti 2 over 3 x plus 1, of which what you should have just done panapa kuziva kuti 2 over 3 over bracket ra x plus 1 zvongoreva kuti 2 over 3 x plus 1. Saka principle yashanda uku ndo ichangoshanda futi kuno uku kuti inenge yachi minus 2x plus 11 over 3 x squared minus 4 plus 2 over 3 x plus 1 like that. Ndo mabudiro azviri kuita. Saka pazviri kuita senge zviri unbearably complicated, but so far chatangoita we have partialized a fraction what we are expected to know already. Mapaona. Saka zvatakuda kuchita panapa manje ndezvekuti tinoda kuenda ku a new working area, then tongodzokorodza kunyora zvatanga tanyora zvatawana. Saka zvatawana ndeizvi tati the function of x is equal to minus 2 over 3x plus 11 over 3. This is all over chi x squared minus 4 totati plus 2 over 3 x plus 1. Sandokukumbrisa ine mutsa kuti mufollowe zvatiri kuda kuita panapa. Very important, please follow. Saka tapartialize ndo zvatawana. Of course ndazokuratidzai kuti mogona kuisa 3 panapa na 3 apo, but let us not do it for now. Let us go back to the question. Kana mamanyora question pasi munofanirwa kurangarira kuti question yati obtain an expansion the function of x in ascending powers of x up to and including the term in x squared. Saka we do have to expand. Andidi. Saka manyorera tichaita tichati the function of x is equal to twatati minus 2 over 3 x plus 11 over 3 like this. Then inoi x denominator x squared minus 4 tichanyora yakadai so x squared minus 4 to the power minus 1 toti plus 2 over 3 x plus 1 to the power chi minus 1. Saka the moment power yedu payava negative, binomial theorem haichatoshande, because takati for binomial theorem n should be a positive whole number. Kurati tichashandisa chi the universal expansion theorem. Saka panapa chimwe chatadzidza ndechekuti make sure kuti your first term pane zvauri kuexpanda is always a real number. Saka rewriting this tinenge takuinyora yakadai so teta kuti the function of x is equal to minus 2 over 3 x plus 11 over 3. Then iya kunyorwa iri chi takuinyora iri minus 4 plus x squared to the negative 1 twarati plus 2 over 3 yobva yati 1 plus x to the negative 1. Saka pakuexpanda panapa takuda kuchiita shandisa that word consider. Andiri. Why the word consider? Because the word consider rinotitsaurira chi minus 4 plus x squared to the power minus 1. So toda kutilani this part. Toda kuexpanda that part up to and until x squared. Ta expanda this part. I part ati expandi because is raised to any power. Tinonge expanda ma parts are an n, which is an exponent or in power, in order, whatever you want to call it. You catch the drift. Saka kuexpanda iya ifangu kunetsa. Those atakadzidza in our yesterday lesson. takadzidza kuti ticha factor out -4 but inofanirwa kubuda nepower. Tosara tiinechi panapa panenge pana 1 inenge iri plus x squared iri divided na -4 yakadai so. Handiti? Saka iyi kana takuda expressa inova -4 to the -1 1 subtracting x squared over 4 like this to the -1. Saka zviri izvozvo panapa pachafangu kunetsa kana lesson ranezuro makarinzwisisa. -4 to the -1 zvongoreva kuti -1 over 4 satongozvinyora zvakadaro. Tobva tadai so takuchiexpanda kunoku. Saka isusu tiri kuziva manje kuti kuside uku inenge irichi 1 plus x andika to the power n yatakati iri equal to 1 plus nx over 1 factorial and so forth. Sando zvatoda ngoita, but the moment patinongonyora kuti x squared totamira because question yati expand until x squared. Saka panapa mukatu mtakuda kuexpanda this part inenge irichi 1 plus nx n amboran any power saka n di -1 so it's -1 n then x angarichi angari this part which is minus x squared over 4. Sapanapa ndo part yechi nx over 1 factorial saka pa it's over 1 factorial, but since titorina x squared panapa zvoroti zvapera tatu expanda kusvikira pari kudikwa like that. Please follow. Saka pakuisolve we should always remember Bodmer's bombed us kuti tinofanira kutanga ta multiply before ta add or subtractor. Kureva kuti tichati -1 times -x squared inenge irichi minus anosubtractana kana kuti anokanselana inenge irichi x squared over 4 like this. Saka panapa tiri kudai so handiti. Saka inenge iri 1 plus x squared over 4 like that. Tinenge tatoi expanda. Maona kazvaitika panapa kuti tatanga tati -1 times -x squared ndokuwana chi x squared over 4 tikazongoti 1 plus x squared over 4 ndozvaitika apa. Saka panapa tinenge tato expanda part ish, but remember kuti tatsaura kana kuti tabuditsa this part. Inoi hatina kuibata because haina n, we only expand na n. Saka tabva panapa manje we now have to consider this part. Takuda kuchibuditsa 1 plus x to the power -1. Saka tenge tichiuya futi kuno kutoti consider, but let me use a different color. Saka takuti consider, to consider toda kubuditsa this part 1 plus x to the -1 1 plus x to the -1 ndo part yatoda kubuditsa. Saka panapa tinenge takungoti iyi yakanaka because itorina 1 kudhara. Saka 1 plus x to the -1 inenge ingori equal to 1 plus nx over 1 factorial. Saka n anenge ari -1 x anenge x over 1 factorial. Hatisati tasvika pa x squared, so let's continue. Twarati plus yobva yati n which is -1 yobva yati n -1 kureva kuti -1 which is -2 yobva yati x squared which is that x squared over 2 factorial. Ndo patinogumira because tasvika pana x squared. So itikada simplify inenge irichi 1 plus -1 times x, that's -x, but e minus x over 1 factorial which is just over 1 yobva yazoti plus -1 times -2 ndi 2, so apo it's 2x squared over 2 factorial ndi 2 because we wrote 2 times 1. So kanzelana panapa kureva kuti eventually tichawana 1 plus na minus ukasangana zvoita minus, so it's 1 minus x plus x squared ndo yatiri kuwana after further elaboration. So let me just box it kuti muzoiona. Saka ta expanda this part tikawana this is our answer. ndobva taexpand another part tikawana this is our answer. So atakuda kuchita panapa takuda kuchingonyora our final answer toisimplify answer yedu yotobuda. It's fascinating. Okay, so panapa for our final answer tiri kuti the function of x is equal to, hanti kumsoro uko kana mchirangarira tanga tamboinyora yakadai so, yakati bracket minus 2 over 3 x plus 11 over 3 iri kumultiplier minus 4 plus x squared to the power minus 1 plus 2 over 3 1 plus x to the negative 1. Saka ticha replace apana minus 4 plus x squared to the power minus 1 nezvataisa mubox izvi. So zvakuchiitika panapa ndezvekuti since tanyora kudai so handi takuda kuchisubstitute part inoi ina bracket minus 4 plus x squared to the negative 1 nepart inoi ina 1 plus x to the negative 1. Saka we are just simply rewriting this. Let me use a different color. The function of x is equal to minus 2 over 3x plus 11 over 3. Then this part manje twatai replace nezvatawana when we did the expansion. Saka pateta expansion tawana negative quarter andika 1 plus x squared over 4 like that. Sato yatoda ngonyora panapa. So it's negative 1 quarter like that. Then bracket 1, is it 1 plus? It's 1 plus x squared over 4, correct? Like this. Sakata substitute minus x plus x squared to the negative 1 near the expanded part. So that plus 2 over 3. Then we do the same panapa. Apo ndo patawana chi 1 minus x plus x squared like this. So this then is equal to minus 2 over 3 x plus 11 over 3. And let us simplify kunoku. Minus a quarter times 1, it's minus a quarter. Minus a quarter times this, it's minus x squared over 16 from 4 times 4. This is plus 2/3 times 1, that's 2 over 3. 2/3 times minus x, it's minus 2x over 3. And 2/3 times x squared, that's plus 2x squared over 3 like that. So this is what we have to get. But tainyora iri in that expanded form, we have to further simplify it. But no kuti tinofa ngogumira pana x squared, because question yati expand until cannot up to x squared. Saka ndo patinofanirwa kugumira. So let us try to simplify further. Sa patasvika panapa tinofanirwa kuita an expansion. My expandero atinongoita all the time. Saka we are having a situation of minus 2 over 3x multiplying minus 1 over 4. Saka tiri kuti minus 2, this is equal to minus 2 over 3x iri kumultiply minus 1 over 4 like this. Tova tati saka this and term in for multiply and the same term in for multiply. So talking about plus minus 2 over 3 x each multiplier minus x squared over 16 like this. Tovatati plus tapa 11 over 3. 11 over 3 iru multiplier minus a quarter plus 11 over 3 iru multiplier minus x squared over 16. Then this part tinonge kopa sezvairi plus ndangoitsokodzera kuti zvikwane pan 1. Okay. Saka manje panapa, let us now just do the multiplication. This is equal to minus 2x. Saka patina 2, saka tukunocheka 2 onopinda umodai. So if I had minus x times minus 1 dx over 3 times 26. Andika? Then to ya panapa, inenge iri minus 2x times minus x squared, that's plus 2x cubed. Mrupaona. Then 3 times 16 chero tikainyora iri tangoti 3 times 16 tinoziva kuti this part hatisi kuzoincluda because yava na cubed, tofanira kugumira pana squared. You get it? Saka tikauya panapa manje apa inge iri chi 11 times minus 1, so it's minus 11 over 4 times 3, that's 12. Toya panapa inenge iri minus 11x squared over, what is 16 times 3? We have to know that 16 times 3 ndian 48, so it's over 48 panapa. Saka taita this term, tikaita this, tikaita this, tikaita that, plus 2 over 3 minus 2x over 3 plus 2x squared over 3. But remember kuti question yedu yati kudini? Question yati it should be in ascending powers. Saka kana takuda kuchinyorawo final answer manje tinofanirwa kutanga from ma constants toenda kuna x terms in x squared tapedza. So this is actually equal to, what are we going to do here? Tenge takuti totanga ne term ma constants. So for our constants tina minus 11 over 12, so we have minus 11 over 12 kandi check anyway. Then we constant yatino and 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 like that. Now I check some constants edo apera. Terms in x tina plus x over 6, then tina futan terms in x minus 2x over 3, my terms in x apera. Then terms in x squared tina minus 11x squared over 48 tozoita plus 2x squared over 3. Saka everything has been represented. Let us now see where we get with this. Saka tikayo calculator kwedu tikati kutanga toinyora sezvairi minus 11 over 12 tikati we want to add 2 over 3. What exactly do we get? So minus 11 over 12 plus 2 over 3 inobuda iri negative quarter, so this is equals to minus 1 over 4 for our numbers. Then for our terms in x ndichangoti 1 over 6 like this, subtracting 2 over 3 like that, and I get negative half. So this is, for terms in x, it's negative x over 2. Then lastly, terms in x squared, it's negative 11 over 48 plus 2 over 3. 2 over 3. That's plus 7x squared over 16. Saka ndo zvatiri kuwana izvi, negative 1 over 4 minus x over 2 plus 7 over 16x squared, and this is a correct answer. So I really hope that you were following, because it was quite rigorous. Kana muine any question, please pamunoisa a comment muchifunza that question. Please just tell me my minutes pamaita confusion. So let me say kuti pa 11 minutes 48 seconds ndo paneka confusion kamaita. You just ask your question and you say kuti apa pa nguva yakati 11:48 matsanangura sei, so that I can help you better. And also, kana mchida ma extra lessons with us, there's a number which is going to appear on your screen. You can get in contact with us, preferably through WhatsApp. Thank you and take care.